automated meter reading. What is it and how does it work? Whether it be commercial or residential, the principles of water metering stay the same. Water flows in from your supply side through the meter out into the consumption side. And what happens in the meter is that volume is calculated and output onto these dials or into sensors. Now those sensors plug into a logger and send that information directly to the cloud, allowing for remote monitoring. Now the cool part about that is it allows us to do cool things like remote billing, but also remote leak detection, allowing utilities to inform customers when leaks are occurring, saving water and money. And there is already heaps of tech on the market all around the globe that solves for this problem, but the important thing to remember is that it's not all being built equally. It hasn't all been built to reduce installation times, withstand harsh environments like flood events, and ensure reliable and accurate connectivity from your meter to the cloud platform. So if you want to know how we solve for that, you can head to Kallipr.com.